is aware of the fact that Android is one of the most preferred operating system amongst the users due to its customization feature which set it apart from iOS and other operating systems. Android OS allows the users to build a customized version of Android according to the taste and preferences, and that's where custom ROMs comes in the picture. A custom ROM is basically a firmware that is based on the Android open source code which is offered by Google. These custom ROMs gives you a way to discover exciting features and get to know about the new design which you can use to customize your Android smartphone. One good thing about Android custom ROMs is that they are bloatware free. At the same time, it provides heavy customizations. So if you're a guy who loves modification and want to give you a device some customization, then get ready to know about some of the best custom ROMs that you can try right now, and these ROMs will help you to get the most out of your Android smartphone. Excited? So let's get started. Now, the only prerequisites of this video would be, before installing a custom ROM in your smartphone, and make sure that you have an unlocked bootloader and a TWRP custom recovery has installed. Now, one important factor to be considered while doing this process is that it can terminate the warranty period of you. We have provided official links to make it convenient for you to download these ROMs, but some of the ROMs may have an unofficial support. Now at number 1, we're having a ROM called a Pixel Experience. If you're a guy who loves Google phones and can't afford to buy expensive smartphones, then you can install a Pixel Experience ROM in your smartphone to get yourself a feel of Google Pixel device. This custom ROM will transform your smartphone into a Google's device with all the scintillating feature from icons to widgets. You don't want more than that if you are getting a pure look of Google device through this ROM. It is very identical to the original Google ROM, so it manages to give you a vast number of customizations with all the necessary ingredients to customize your Android smartphone. Now, at number 2, we're having a Lineage OS. Most of the users face stability problems in custom ROMs, but Lineage OS, which is a successor of CyanogenMod, solves this problem. After the discontinuation of Cyanogen, Lineage OS has become the most popular ROM amongst the users. Lineage has been able to induce a large number of users to download their ROM, which is a sense has cemented the position of this ROM in the market. Also, this ROM has been the major source of development for all of the other ROMs, as most of the ROMs which are available there follow the footsteps of Lineage OS. Lineage OS provides some better customization than others. You might be wondering that why, after such good a reputation in custom ROMs, Lineage OS has not able to make it on the top list of most of the custom ROMs list. Actually, Lineage OS ROM doesn't fully focuses on personalization. Rather, it gives you importance to all the factors which is necessary for a good custom ROM, like stability, performance, battery life, etc. To cover this a wide spectrum of needs of the users, this ROM is doing its utmost best and has managed to make its mark amongst the other custom ROMs. Now at number 3, we're having Evolution X. It is a butter smooth custom ROM, and you can expect to see all of the stock features from Google. This ROM comes with many Google applications which are pre-installed by default. When it comes to launcher, you get a latest Pixel launcher, which is a basic launcher. Along with Pixel launcher, you get to see a lot of Pixel goodies pre-installed into the system. There are a lot of settings available that let you customize many things within the system. It also comes with 2 screen recorders out of the box, the one which is a basic screen recorder, and another one would be the One Plus screen recorder. Both screen recorders let you capture the screen along with internal audio. By far, Evolution X is the better smooth custom ROM you could get on your Android smartphone. At number 4, we're having a ROM called Havoc OS. I would rate this ROM in terms of customization just after the Resurrection remix. Though it is one of the early entrants in the market, its adaptability and innovative feature has made it a talk in the tech town. As stated earlier, it is a heavy customization-centric ROM. You might have to face the issue of stability, but it is a must-go ROM for experimental guys. In fact, the recent versions of Havoc OS are much improved and optimized, provides a stunning battery life and performance when it comes to the daily usage. At number 5, we're having a ROM called a CRDroid, which is known for its speed, has now become more powerful. The new update of CRDroid 6.0 based on Android 10 brings new features, enhancements, and improvements to the system. This ROM primarily focuses on performance, which provides a stunning gaming experience than ever before. From day-to-day usage, a CRDroid may not going to disappoint at any point. At number 6, we're having a ROM called a Viper OS. Many of you might find it a new ROM as it has just released around the launch of Android Nougat, but its release date hasn't made it a dark horse. It has been able to achieve a good success in a short span of time and has evolved into becoming a very stable ROM and is giving a tough competition to all of the competitors out there. The ROM is compact and simple and doesn't overdo in terms of feature, which offers a great balancing experience to all of the users. In recent times, it has also updated their source code after the launch of Android Pie. I would definitely recommend all of you to give this ROM a go if you're looking for a decent customization options. At number 7, we're having a ROM called a Resurrection Remix. This ROM is also an old player in the market and it started its development in the early days of Android Ice Cream Sandwich. The main highlight about Resurrection Remix is its feature-packed settings menu loaded with attractive customization options which caught the eyeballs of the many users. In a cutthroat competition, when all the ROMs has been innovating, Resurrection Remix ROM has managed to remain a step ahead of them by updating the ROM with exciting features. Apart from design, looks, and customization, Resurrection Remix development team keeps introducing refreshing changes in ROM to make it an adventurous experience for all of its users. One limiting feature about Resurrection Remix is that it has a jump-packed stuff which can disrupt the harmony of your device and you may face some stability problems. At number 8, we're having a ROM called AOSP Extended. As I told earlier in the Pre-Requisites section that you will need to flash your device after installing some of the ROMs, which might be a concern for some of you, but don't worry, we have solution to all your problems. AOSP is one of the best custom ROMs if you want to save your device from any undesired problem while flashing your device. I am saying so because I have been flashing lately the AOSP Extended custom ROMs for some time now, but I haven't faced any kind of problem till now. You can predict from the name of the ROM that it has a lot of extensions from Android open source project. Numbers are an exciting factor for this ROM. It has a little over a 1.3 million downloads since its inception, and as the number suggests, this has been the favorite pick for the users. This ROM is a fusion of all the necessities of a custom ROM, from navigation bar tweaks to gestures, designs to appearance, coupled with a buttery smooth UI and exotic themes. Stability of this might annoy you, but overall it is a must-try ROM. Now it comes to the boss of the list. At number 9, we're having a MIUI. You might be living in the early Stone Ages if you are not aware about the history of MIUI. This ROM was basically introduced to enhance the ROM industry, but later it became one of the biggest leading giants of smartphones and has become one of the biggest success stories of the past decade. The best thing about this ROM is the background optimizations. The battery is also up to the mark. If you want a Chinese version of iPhone, then you can try MIUI ROM. You might find mixed reviews about this ROM, but it's always worth of trying. You can access this ROM on devices like Huawei, OnePlus, Oppo officially, while it is paired to many of the other devices unofficially. BootLoader is a ground zero open source project which brings a custom features in your smartphone by beautifully adjusting with the useful applications on your device with the motto of making you feel like home. The ROM comes with custom wallpapers, ringtones, fonts to refresh your smartphone with a brand new look. This ROM is a great blend of customization and stability. So what do you guys think about it? Should you install a custom ROM? A ROM, which stands for read-only memory, and a custom ROM uses a new OS version of Android to replace your smartphone's OS that is stored in your read-only memory. Now we will provide you some reasons why you should install a custom ROM in your smartphone. Number one, stay updated. If you're annoyed with your Android updates and do not get a timely updates, then you can install a custom ROM, as it will provide you with the option of enjoying the customizing features without any delays. There are various instances where the smartphone manufacturer doesn't update the Android versions of their smartphones on timely basis due to some carrier issues. To keep your smartphone updated, you can install the custom ROM. Number two, removes bloatware. This is one of the most common problem that you must be facing after buying a new smartphone. The new device basically comes with a bloatware which takes up the device storage space. Also, many manufacturers put their own built-in applications in your Android smartphone, which makes it more problematic for the users. To solve these issues, you can install a custom ROM. Number three, get the stock Android look. One of the disliked things amongst the users is the pre-installed skin on your Android devices. These skins can sometimes be dull for the users and they desperately want to change the skin of the device. But doing so is an impossible task, so what you can do is that you can install a new custom ROM to your device to enhance the skin of your smartphone. Installing custom ROM will also give you the privilege to get the stock Android look and replace all of the manufacturer's customization with a spotless Android framework. Now, the conclusion of this video would be a custom ROM provides you an opportunity to discover many features which you might not be able to get on your original Android smartphone. They can also clean up your device and give it a refreshing look, which can sometimes prove to be a better of the original ones and can make the device a bloatware free. Now, one major concern for beginners is that they might find mod a confusing process and end up messing their device. Apart from that, this is a very safe option. So if you're planning to install a custom ROM, so then these are the list of the ROMs that you can try it on your smartphone. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more content, and also click that bell icon next to it so that you will never miss a video of this channel. So thanks for watching, guys. This has been KSK Royal. Peace out.